Hey everyone, and welcome back. Let me ask you a question. Are you tired of spending countless hours on repetitive tasks in your business? Are you watching your competitors speed past you? The truth is, if you are not leveraging artificial intelligence in 2026, you are literally leaving money on the table. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's an operational tool that can automate, innovate, and escalate your business growth. In the next 10 minutes, I'm not just going to talk about hype. I'm going to show you exactly where to implement AI right now to save time, cut costs, and get ahead. We're covering marketing, customer service, data analysis, and the top 3 tools you need to download today. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly address why AI is no longer optional. It boils down to 3 core benefits: efficiency, innovation, and personalization. AI handles the tedious, repetitive tasks. Think data entry, scheduling, or basic email drafting. This frees up your human talent to focus on high-value, creative problem solving. It's like having an army of ultra-efficient interns working 24/7 for a fraction of the cost. AI can analyze data sets far larger than any human team, identifying trends, predicting market shifts, and giving you an edge over the competition. It helps you see the future of your niche. This is huge. AI allows you to treat every customer like your only customer. It tailors content, recommendations, and support in real time. And that leads to massive customer loyalty and higher conversions. Now that we know why, let's look at the how. Starting with the most visible part of your business, marketing. Content is king, but content creation is a massive time sink. This is where AI truly shines. The first step is ideation and drafting. Tools like GPT-4 or Claude can become your best brainstorming partner. You don't ask them to write the final draft. You ask them to write 10 blog post titles about sustainable packaging or 5 social media captions. For a new product launch, this jumpstarts your process from 0 to 16 seconds. Look at this. I just prompted it to write an entire email marketing sequence for a Black Friday sale. Within 30 seconds, I have 4 distinct email drafts, complete with subject lines and calls to action. My job is now just to edit and refine, not create from scratch. This is a 90% time saving. And it's not just text. Think about visuals. Tools like Midjourney or Canva's Magic Studio can generate high-quality stock images, social media banners, or even short, animated video clips based purely on your text description. No more expensive stock photo subscriptions or waiting for a designer for simple assets. The most repetitive, yet crucial, area of any business is customer service, and this is where AI chatbots and assistants are revolutionizing things. Modern AI-powered chatbots, like those integrated with Intercom or customized using your own data, can now handle up to 80% of common customer queries. Think about: what is your return policy? When will my order ship? Or how do I reset my password? The magic is in the handoff. When the AI recognizes a complex or emotional query like a complaint or a very specific technical question, it smoothly hands the conversation off to a human agent, providing the agent with the full chat history and a summarized problem description. What does this do for your business? First, 24/7 availability. Your customers get instant answers, leading to higher satisfaction. Second, cost reduction. You reduce the staff required for Tier 1 support. Third, better data. Every interaction is logged and analyzed by the AI, showing you exactly where your products or services cause the most confusion. You're providing an always-on, instant service, while your highly paid staff can focus on the hard-to-solve problems that build real loyalty. It's a win-win. If marketing is about visibility, then data analysis is about vision. AI is your ultimate predictive lens. Small businesses often drown in data: Google Analytics, CRM logs, sales figures, but lack the time to analyze it. AI tools, often built right into your existing platforms, change this. Example, instead of staring at spreadsheets, you can ask an AI-powered analytics tool, which customer segment that bought product the last quarter is most likely to buy product B this quarter. The AI quickly processes millions of data points, purchase history, demographics, web activity, and provides a statistically backed answer. This leads to hyper-targeted advertising and higher conversion rates. It helps with inventory prediction, and AI can predict seasonal demand swings far more accurately than a human guess, ensuring you never run out of your most popular product or overstock on slow movers. That is direct money saved. Sales is the heartbeat of your business, and AI makes that heartbeat stronger. In sales is all about prioritization and personalization. Think of your CRM, all those leads. Which ones should your human sales team call first? AI uses a lead scoring system. It analyzes everything: website visits, email opens, job title, and gives each lead a score. Your sales team can immediately focus their valuable time on the leads that are 90% likely to convert, instead of wasting time chasing cold contacts. Furthermore, AI can craft personalized outreach. Imagine an AI drafting an email to a prospect, referencing a specific piece of content they viewed on your website 5 minutes ago. That level of detail shows the prospect you care, and it dramatically increases the response rate. It's simple. AI automates the qualifying process, so your human experts can focus on the high-value, relationship-building conversations that close the deal. Okay, so where do you start? If you only implement 3 things this year, these are the tools you need in your business stack. Tool 1. The Generalist, GPT-5 or a similar high-end LLM. You need a powerful large language model for drafting, summarization, meeting notes, and light coding. It's your Swiss Army knife. Action: train it on your business's voice and mission statement. Tool 2. The visual powerhouse, Canva Magic Studio. If you create any graphics for social media, presentations, or ads, Canva's AI tools are incredible. They can remove backgrounds, resize content instantly, and generate unique images without leaving the platform. Action: use it to create your next 10 social media posts. Tool 3. The Organizer, ClickUp AI or Notion AI. Monday AI. Integrations are key. Use an AI tool within your project management software. It can automatically create task lists, summarize project progress, and suggest next steps based on your team's velocity. Action: use it to draft your next team meeting agenda. The beauty of these tools is they are all affordable and scalable for small and medium-sized businesses. So, there you have it. AI is not coming, it is here. We've covered 4 critical areas where you can implement these technologies today to gain an unfair advantage: marketing, customer service, data analysis, and sales. My final advice: don't wait for perfection. Start small. Pick just one of these tools or one area like content drafting and integrate AI into that process this week. The gains in efficiency will speak for themselves. If this video gave you the confidence to start your AI journey, please do me a favor: hit that like button, share this video with a business owner you know, and subscribe for more weekly growth strategies. And seriously, I want to know, which AI tool are you most excited to try first? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.